Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to type Urdu in Gboard. So, first thing what you will do, guys, is simply go to the Google Play Store into your device. And now, just simply tap the search icon at the bottom and go for the search bar at the top and search for Gboard. And now, just simply tap the application and make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when there is an update, you should be able to see here update instead of open. Now, once you open the app, go for the languages and tap add keyboard. And you could search a language over here, or you could just simply search on the list of available. So I'm gonna go for Urdu. And from here, guys, you will have multiple options. So this will be based on your preferences. And once you tap it, you should be able to have here different format that Gboard has to offer and select done. And from here, guys, when you go to a text and tap on the keyboard, just simply press the space bar. And from here, a pop-up window will show up and you can just simply tap on the Urdu and there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.